I owe you an apology because before I started this streaming, I had a clear goal in mind that I would not use any profanity words, any pagbumura, okay? But I failed. I ended up saying yung mga bagay na yun, yung mga pagbumura, because I didn't realize were considered na profanity yung mga nasasabi ko mga words. So one of the members of our church, as a Christian, pointed out that I was using curse words, mga murang words. Even though I was unaware at the time, innocence does not excuse my actions. So sin is sin, kasalanan ay kasalanan, pagmumura ay pagmumura. Ayokong gamitin excuse yun, yung bagay na yun na hindi ko kasi alam. So I take full responsibility and sincerely apologize for my words and actions. Okay, gusto ko mag-apologize sa inyo sa mga bagay na yon. Bilang isang Christian, dapat di lumalabas yun sa bibig ko. Dalawang reason bakit siya big deal. Yes, again, I'm a professing Christian. Words like that should never come out of my mouth. As a result, I fail to be a good testimony sa inyo, and I feel I've dragged the name of the Lord through the mud and hurt yung reputation ng Christianity. And second, whether I like it or not, I am a public figure now because I'm on a public platform. So that means my action require a public apology. So sana naiintindihan niyo yun, no? So if I fall under what we call today an influencer, kung influencer man ako ngayon, pinapanood niyo ako ngayon, then I want to be a good one. Gusto ko maging mabuting influencer. So yun, I don't want to be careless sa mga actions ko, kaya I want to be responsible habang andito ako sa platform na ito, habang pinapanood niyo ako. And thank you guys for giving me an opportunity to take this time to make an public apology sa inyo. Sobrang thank you una-una sa suporta nyo.